dark skin, light skin, medium tongue. Sperm ting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my eye, got you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Ebonyline.com. It's from the brand Bobbi Boss. It's from their Bold Bang series. I got her in the style M405 Juniper in the color number 2. So if you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on her, see her in action, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's talk about Miss Juniper from Bobbi Boss. On the stock card, it doesn't have any special features or specs or anything like that. It just says that she has premium fibers, natural yaki texture, easy maintenance, flex fit cap, and she's heat styling friendly. What I will say is that she does come in a wide variety of colors. Of course, you have your standard 1, 1B, 2, your 613, but she does also offer 7 different specialty colors. The 2 specialty colors that are featured on the stocking cap, the stock card are TBH1B613 and TBH130. So this is the 30 version and then this is the 613 version. So let's go ahead and hop straight into my pros and cons regarding this unit. Of course, starting with the cons first. And my first con would have to be that she is a shedder. She has been shedding since the moment that I took her out of the package, and I'm not really understanding why, especially seeing as how there's no lace to cut off. My second con on this unit would have to be the styling of her. Now, hear me out. I like how she looks straight down. I think she'd be really cute in like a mid to high ponytail with the bang, and I do think she would be cute like pinned back some. It would give me mullet vibes, but I'm low-key kind of here for it. But the styling of this unit screams Nicki 2009 2010. Like, if you were there, you were there. Back in the day, like everybody had this hairstyle. Like everybody had the bang cut this way, whether you had hair up to your ears, hair down to your shoulders, hair down your back. Everybody had this bang, and that's what it's screaming to me. So I feel like the style is a little bit dated. So let's go ahead and move into my pros regarding this unit. And to start off with, the texture. When they say natural yaki texture, they mean natural yaki texture. The texture of this unit reminds me of if I were to flat iron my hair. It resembles it very much so. My next pro on this unit would have to be that she is definitely beginner friendly. Like when people say a grab and go unit, this is what they mean by a grab and go unit. You know how with some grab and go units you feel like you might have to put on a little bit of makeup to like look decent? I don't feel like that with this one, and I feel like it's because of the bang. The bang is covering your forehead, so it's just not like screaming wig necessarily. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but she's very beginner friendly. My next pro on this unit would have to be the density and length of her. Now on the stock card, this unit looks like it would be very thick and bulky in person, but that's not the case whatsoever. She's actually a very natural density, which I like and appreciate. And although I'm not a fan of long units, this one is, I wouldn't necessarily say she's a natural length unit because she does come down to about mid-waist on me, and I am about 5'7", so I would say that's about 24-26 inches, because once it's all to the back of me, it stops right at the lower part of my back. So she's pretty long, but she's not one of those long annoying units, if you know what I mean. Lastly, let's talk about the price of this unit. On Ebonyline.com, she does retail for $20.95, but if you plan on picking up one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $4 upcharge. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at Tan Dotson. Huge shout out and huge thank you again to Ebonyline.com for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. I'll make sure that I have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Leave me a comment down below if you plan on picking her up. If so, in what color? I want to know, girl. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.